It takes attention to detail. With your local Bryant dealer, you're getting someone who pays attention to the little things that make a big difference. And to keep your family cool this summer, it takes Bryant.
Bryant. Whatever it takes. It takes a knowledgeable dealer to keep your family comfortable. Call Efficiency Heating and Cooling at 503-698-5588 to find out how you can earn up to $1,650 in rebates on a qualifying Bryant system. Efficiency, dedicated to your indoor comfort with top quality work every time.